KYC is over for Ethereum. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and these are rules and regulations that are imposed on nearly every single crypto exchange. And it does exactly what the name implies. It requires these exchanges to know their customers. That means knowing their name, their age, where they live, etc. Everything about them. But when it comes to Ethereum, these KYC rules are not a problem. Welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. I used to make many videos on how one can buy cryptocurrency without KYC, meaning no name, no age, no identification card. And in doing my research, I found that a lot of these articles are either inaccurate or outdated. This is an article updated on August 20th, 2020. 7 altcoin exchanges without KYC or AML, anti-money laundering rules. And right away, I understand that this is not true. It has Binance, Bitfinex, Changely, and Instant Exchange. These all now require KYC and identification due to all the strict regulation around the world. And then I was doing research on instant exchanges, which at one point did not require any KYC because they are not custodians. They don't hold any crypto on behalf of their customers. These included CoinSwitch, ChangeNow, Changely, and ShapeShift. And at one point, they had no KYC. But today, they all have KYC. Fast forward to 2021, and ShapeShift, which in the past had no KYC, then they had to get KYC, is now going back and they are going full DeFi in order to lose KYC rules. ShapeShift CEO Erik Voorhees stated, the firm will gradually phase out of its own centralized trading activity and KYC policy in favor of a decentralized alternative as it becomes 100% DEX-based for customers. So in that process, before they get to 100% of a decentralized exchange, ShapeShift reported they still will sell cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. But in terms of a 100% decentralized exchange at this moment, it's really only possible in Ethereum because Ethereum has built such a massive ecosystem of many decentralized applications with all of these ERC20 coins built on top of it. So eventually in the future, ShapeShift will be fully decentralized and no one can shut it down. And for those of you that are not familiar with Erik Voorhees, he is a crypto OG. He has been in this space from the very beginning. He is famous for co-founding the website Satoshi Dice, which he eventually sold. And Erik Voorhees has very libertarian values. He is not fond of government. He is not fond of rules such as KYC. So it makes sense why he's doing this full shift to a no KYC, 100% decentralized exchange. You cannot stop Ethereum at this point. It is so decentralized. There is Uniswap. Anyone from around the world. It doesn't matter if you're male, female, where you live, what your age is. As long as you know how to use a MetaMask wallet, you can participate in DeFi. If you're unsure about how MetaMask wallets work, I did make a very good tutorial on it. I'm going to leave a link right above. You could go ahead and check that out. But the thing here is you just can't stop it. There's Kyber Network. There are hundreds and thousands of applications on crypto. And at this point, no one can stop Ethereum. The only people that can stop Ethereum are the developers, the community themselves. The only reason why Ethereum will fail is if the Ethereum community and developers do not scale and do not fix the issue of high gas prices, high gas fees. So we'll see how that plays out over the next 2 to 3 years. And this is all coming at a time where the government and FinCen is cracking down on crypto wallets. And they actually proposed, it's not a rule yet, has not been implemented, but they proposed that exchanges record all the information of their customers when they're sending $3,000 transactions and also $10,000 transactions. I made a more detailed video on how this works, about crypto regulations and whether it's good or bad for crypto. So also you can go ahead and check that video, link right above. So in this case of identifying these personal wallets, it really doesn't apply to Ethereum. This is a tweet from Andreas Antonopoulos, and he explains how a person can buy their Ethereum on an exchange, provide all their information, their name, their age, their ID, then send it to a registered wallet again that they give all the information for. And at this point, everything is working fine. Right from there, once it's in their own wallet, they can send it now to a new wallet. They can interact with DeFi and no permission. And at that point, their crypto becomes washed, it becomes clean, and you can no longer track it. And that's why when I made the video about crypto regulation, I said, yes, maybe they're trying to track illegal and illicit activity with this new proposal. But my belief is they're really implementing or trying to implement this rule in order to collect crypto taxes. That's what I believe. So Ethereum at this moment, unstoppable. Only thing that's going to stop Ethereum is Ethereum itself. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.